Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on notifications and status bar. Here we have to find the status bar section, and on the second position we've got show battery percentage on status bar. So simply tap on it, and here we've got three different options from which we can choose. So here we've got the option inside the battery icon, so obviously the percentage will appear inside the battery icon. We've got outside the battery icon, so it will appear next to it on the left or on the right. Or we can set do not display, which is right now activated because we've got only the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, outside the battery icon, because I assume that it will be more visible. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see, right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.